Hi guys, Myriam Balthazar here, your homie girl from the whimsical area of Orlando, Florida. So with that situation, that pandemic, a few homeowners are really wondering if it's not the best time for them to refinance or not. So we have here right now, I invited an expert, Dan Roberts, with a residential mortgage that will help you answer the question. So now, Dan, it's up to you.
All right. Well, thanks for having me, Miriam. I appreciate that, and hopefully we'll get some info for people to understand about refinancing and if it's a good time to do it. So right now, me and my team, we're suggesting that everybody do a mortgage checkup, and we like to do this with all our customers at least once a year, and sometimes every 6 months, just depending on the situation. But right now, with the interest rates where they are, which is at some of the lowest levels ever in history, it's a great idea for people to have a mortgage checkup. And what we basically do is we just have a phone conversation, 15, 20 minutes, just to find out what their situation is. How long they're going to stay in the house, what their family situation is. We'll talk about what their current payment is, what their interest rate is, and how far into the mortgage they are, stuff like that. Just like I said, it takes 15 to 20 minutes. We do a questionnaire, and then we can just run some scenarios for people and just tell them, depending on what their short-term and what their long-term plans are, if it's a good idea to refinance.
Okay, I see.
Right now, yeah, good.
Okay. Right now, go ahead.
Sure. So with the interest rates where they are, and like I said, at the lowest levels ever, there's a lot of people who we have refinanced over the last couple months that have been able to take cash out of the houses and pay off some of their installment debts, their car payments, their credit cards. We had one lady that we were able to do that for. She got enough cash out to pay off her car payment, several credit cards, and her payment for her house was still the same as she has been paying before, but she eliminated $900 a month in other debts.
Wow.
So that, at that point, she could either save that $900 a month, or she could put that towards her mortgage payment. If she chose to do that, she's going to pay off her house in less than 11 years instead of 30 years. So there's a lot of examples out there just like that. Another one that I'm working on right now there, we're going to close next week. He had bought the house about 18 months ago. His interest rate was in the 5s. We were able to get him in the 3s, and he was able to get the mortgage insurance off of it. And his payment is going from just under $1,600 to about $1,235. So he's saving $350 a month. So yeah, that's why I'm saying we're talking to everybody who owns a house right now, whether they think they have a good rate, they may have a great rate. And once we look at it, we talk to them, we look at it, we may go back to them and say, you know what, based on your situation, you're better to stay and not refinance right now. But it doesn't hurt to have it checked out. We don't pull credit. We just get some information, run some scenarios, and then guide them as to whether it's a good idea or not. But if you bought a house, say, in the last 3 years, say the last 1 to 3 years, your interest rate is probably going to be in the 5s. And interest rates are a lot better right now, and you can save some money on your monthly payment for sure.
Okay. I think you are getting more and more interesting to a lot of people right now. So yeah, thank you for the insights. So it was Dan, the mortgage man, here with a loan officer at Primary Residential Mortgage. All right. So if you want for him to check your mortgage, as he was saying at the beginning, so just contact him. I thank you very much for the insights, and for more bright insights, see you soon. Bye.
All right. Bye. Thanks, Myriam.